So, TryCure Max Out Oil is a topical male enhancement product marketed with 8 botanicals, including yohimbe, ginkgo, ginseng, maca, damiana, and horny goatweed. The company claims it can support firmer erections, stamina, and even gradual size improvement, but those claims deserve a much closer look. The biggest thing the marketing doesn't tell you is that there's no publicly available clinical trial proving that this specific oil can permanently increase penis size or deliver the dramatic results suggested by the advertising. The company also doesn't disclose the concentration of each botanical, including the amount of active yohimbine in its yohimbe extract. I'd also be cautious about the impressive 4.8 out of 5 from 10,000 plus reviews claim. Those reviews are displayed directly on the company's website, while independent research has found very little established third-party history for the relatively new storefront. There's also a safety issue worth mentioning. TryCure itself warns that yohimbe can interact with blood pressure medication and MAO inhibitors, so natural doesn't automatically mean risk-free. So, is TryCure Max Out Oil worth buying? I'd be very skeptical of the enlargement claims and wouldn't treat this product as a proven solution for sexual performance problems. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more videos.